Hi everyone and welcome to FinTechnacy. Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to your video in Capcut. So let's get started. First you should import your media, your video and logo. Also you could use text instead of your logo if you want. Just by clicking on import, you can import whatever you want. So this is the video we are going to add a watermark to it. So we drag and drop it here as we see. At the same time I'm going to add the logo to be our watermark. So it will be displayed here. Okay, then expand it to the end of the video. We will adjust the size and we will move it in the corner. Make the size a little bit smaller, a bit bigger here. Then we'll try to change the opacity. I will put it 50%. You can make it 20 or 30 depending on what you need. Anyway, let's start the video. And that's how we have added a watermark to our video. You could export the video and then download it whatever you want. So if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you.